Hey guys, welcome back to Weekenders on the Water. Today we're here in the garage, and today we're going to be talking about what to do if you flood your PWC engine. So stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Hi.
Hey.
Like I said, guys, we're back in the garage today because your girl tore up her ski.
That's not that bad.
I know, it's not that bad. All right, thanks, Lexa. So, what are we going to do? So what happened first, I guess?
So today we went out with our Seadoos and we were riding around, and Christine's battery died. And with the dead battery, we couldn't ride it. I had to tow her back. I did use a tow clamp that should have prevented any water from getting in the engine. But just to be on the safe side, we're going to go ahead and pull the spark plugs and just make sure that there's no water in the crankcase, because if there is, you can end up with bent rods, busted pistons, all kinds of stuff. Hydrolock your engine, basically it becomes toast at that point. So before you try to start an engine that could possibly have been flooded, you definitely want to follow these steps. Now, this could be either that you were towed above the towing speed without a tow clamp, or it's happened a couple times to me, to be honest, but if you accidentally turn on the water on that hose before you start the ski or before you start your boat, you're going to be in a similar situation. You want to pull the spark plugs. So that's what we're going to get to first. So all you really need is a spark plug wrench. I like to have a flathead screwdriver to help get the injector coils off. And then for Seadoos, you need T30 Torx bit to be able to get those injectors out.
And a very helpful wife. All right, let's go.
Okay, so as I mentioned, it's basically the same whether you got a Seadoo, Yamaha, I believe even probably, you know, Kawasaki's are going to be similar sort of deal. Since this is a Seadoo specifically, so you get that T30 Torx bit, you want to take these little bolts off here that hold the injectors in place.
Do you want to hold them since the footwell is so wet?
That's fine.
Okay.
Just set those aside, make sure that they don't fall down into the hull. Take note the grounding wire is there on top, so we'll want to replace it back in the same order.
Cool.
All right, so next up we're going to pull the injectors. Sorry, I kept mentioning these are injectors. These are coil packs. So everywhere that I said injector before, Christine's going to have to replace that. These are coil packs.
Great.
So we're going to pull the coil pack. So basically you just squeeze there. There's a little tab right there. You squeeze it, and then I like to use a little flathead screwdriver just to give you a little bit more leverage. Pluck it out of the way. All right, now with those, you can pull the coil packs. You just pop right out. Sometimes the seal comes loose. Sometimes the seal comes loose, so just make sure that that stays attached there. You don't want to lose that. All right. Those out of the way. Whether it's a Seadoo or Yamaha, it's a 5/8 spark plug. So you just want to insert that down there in the hole. Lefty loosey. And if you drop it, just put it back on there.
I feel like you've done this a few times.
A handful of times, yeah. Work those over. There we go.
Okay.
All right, so next up we're going to crank the engine, and if there is any fluid in there, it's going to shoot up out of these spark plugs. So let's see.
Oh. Well, yeah, the key's not connected.
Oh, yeah, there's that.
Are you new here?
Right, so next up we connect the key, and we get ready to start this thing. And if there's any water in the cylinders, it's going to shoot up out of there. Are you ready?
Uh-huh. That didn't sound good.
Yeah. Oh. So that's the idea right now. We know there's no water in there.
Okay, so I saw this one puff out smoke, that one puff out smoke, but that one popped out nothing.
Yeah. Well, that's a little bit of the oil that's in those ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's that.
So now that we've made sure that all the fluid is out of the cylinders, we'll just go ahead and reinsert our spark plugs. So you set them down in there. Again, these do not want to be, you do not want to torque these very tight. So I usually do them, you know, kind of thread them in by hand here. And then we'll just give them like, you know, maybe a quarter turn or so with the ratchet. Maybe not even that much. You know, just so it feels tight. Coil packs go back in. So then you just snap the wires back in place.
Don't forget about the grounding wire.
Yeah. And then grounding wires are going to go on top, and that's what's going to cinch the packs down in place. Definitely do not want to use anything battery powered, you know, any kind of power tools. This is an aluminum valve cover. You will strip those holes. I know because I've done it. Oops. Hi. Oh, where? Yeah,
That's it.
yeah, so there you guys have it. So when you run into issues like that and you think maybe your engine's flooded, that's all you got to do. And then once you're sure that all the water is out of the cylinders, go ahead and start it up. You're in good shape.
Okay.
So
that's it.
Yeah, really pretty easy. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really help us out. With that being said, we're out of here. And we'll see you next weekend.
Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to Weekenders on the Water. Today we're back here at home, and today we're going to be talking about what to do if you flood your Seadoo or Yamaha engine.
Jetski.
All right. Hey guys, welcome back to Weekenders on the Water.
PWC. Okay.
All right, so